Every year, over 1 crore aspirants fill out forms and dedicate years of their lives preparing for a handful of government job seats. They spend thousands on coaching, study materials, and sleepless nights just to land one secure government job. But here's the uncomfortable truth. This massive herd mentality isn't just ruining individual lives, it's delaying India's development as a nation. Let's think about it. What if even half of these 1 crore students invested their time in learning real-world high-demand skills? Imagine what could happen if we had more people mastering coding, artificial intelligence, robotics, digital marketing, design and innovation, communication and entrepreneurship, rather than just focusing on outdated exam patterns and memorizing GK facts. But unfortunately, most are stuck in a loop. 1 crore people running after 10,000 jobs. And even those jobs, most of them are clerical, pushing files, waiting years for promotion, doing tasks that AI and software can now do in seconds. We are in the era of artificial intelligence. Machines are solving maths problems, writing essays, generating code, and even designing buildings. And here we are, still preparing for a general awareness test and revising tricks to solve pipe and cistern questions in 30 seconds. Let's be real. Do you want to be a leader of the future? Or just someone who mastered shortcuts for exams that haven't evolved in decades? We're not here to insult anyone's hard work, but ask yourself, are you learning how to solve real problems? Or are you just learning how to clear a test? India needs builders. India needs problem solvers. India needs you to upgrade, learn skills, create jobs, and drive innovation. You say, but there are no jobs. That's not true. Jobs exist. You just don't have the skills for them because you've spent years chasing a dream that no longer aligns with today's world. Government jobs are not the problem. The blind obsession with exams is. It's time to stop memorizing for marks and start learning for meaning. It's time to stop preparing for what was and start preparing for what's coming. If even a fraction of this country's youth chose to build skills instead of chasing outdated exams, India would already be a superpower. So to every aspirant out there, this is your wake-up call. Don't waste your potential. Don't waste your years. Don't become just another number in the 1 crore. Be different. Be bold. Build something real. Because you weren't born to just fill out forms. You were born to shape the future. Thank you for watching. If this made you think, share it. Let's wake up a generation. Jai Hind.